Welcome to the first MQL5 functions video. I thought it would be a good place to start by getting the current market price of the symbol and the asset that we're trading. So I'll quickly walk you through how to script that now. Firstly, we'll make a new expert advisor and we're going to call it current market just to get the current market price. Finish that, make that full screen. And firstly, we're going to lay out the functions. So we want double bid underscore price, and that will return us the bid price of the asset that we're looking for. Then we're going to do another one for the ask price. This will make sense why in a sec. And then finally, we're going to grab the market price here. So the reason we've got three functions, not just one, is because we're grabbing the bid price and the ask price, and we're going to grab the average of those, and then that's what we're going to use to reflect our actual current market price. So the way we get the bid price is return symbol info double underscore symbol, so that it reflects the one on the screen, and then symbol underscore bid. Throw a colon on the end, copy that, paste this, and then symbol underscore ask. So now what we need to do is to integer digits equals int for integer symbol info integer underscore symbol to grab the asset on the screen, and then symbol underscore digits. And what this is going to do is return the number of decimal points in the string of the market price. And then we're going to return normalized double bid price plus asking price, divide that by 2, and digits. And what this is going to do here is it's going to find the midpoint. It's going to divide add the two together, divided by 2. That's the midpoint of the bid and the ask price, and that's going to give us the correct market price. And this line here formats the data with the amount of digits. So we'll go ahead and compile that. No errors. Happy days. Now we need to actually call it, and the way we do that is we'll come up to onTick market price, and then just for the sake of this video, we'll print it here. Print market price like this, and we will just do that. Compile, no errors. Come over to the MetaTrader terminal, current market. Doesn't really matter what asset we're trading. Slow this right down, and boom, you can see each day, or each tick, sorry, of the candle, it is printing the market price. So that is how you get the market price of any asset that is on MetaTrader 5 using an expert advisor. Thank you for watching.